How to connect your Discord account with your PlayStation network. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to connect your Discord with your PlayStation network easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Discord. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go down and click on this option. Now after you click it on the settings option, now all what you have to do is go to connections right here. Click on connections and it will take you to this page right here. Now if you want to connect your PlayStation network, click on the top right here on the add option. Now after you click it on the add, you will find PlayStation network. Click on it and connect it easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.